Hello all, welcome to AI Educator. In this video, let us discuss about batch normalization. Before we go into batch normalization, let us understand normalization. Normalization is a data pre-processing tool used to bring the numerical data into a common scale without destroying its shape. Normalization is used to scale the data of an attribute so that it falls into the smaller range, such as -1 to 1 or 0 to 1. Normalization is generally required when we are dealing with the data of different scales. Normalization is done before we send the data to the model. We can simply perform normalization by dividing the data with 255, which we will discuss again in the MNIST case study. Now, let us understand batch normalization. Batch normalization is a process to make neural network faster and more stable through adding extra layers in the deep network. The new layer will perform normalizing and standardizing operations on that layer. A typical neural network is trained using a collected set of input called as batches. Similarly, the normalizing process in batch normalization takes place in batches, not as a single input. Batch normalization is performed inside the model after hidden layers. We can simply add batch normalization layer by writing model.add in a parenthesis, batch normalization again a parenthesis. Now let us see how batch normalization works. Let us understand the batch normalization with a small analogy where the delivery boy is the input and the burger is our data. Different ingredients used to make that burger are our features, and a kid who's eating it is our model. We are training that kid to eat the burger. First, we train the kid to eat one specific type of burger with some specific features or the ingredients. And as a result, the kid liked it and ate it. We repeated this process for multiple times. Then we changed the ingredients or the features of the burger and given it to the kid to test it. As a result, he disliked it and doesn't eat it. Now we have taken the burger with different ingredients and present in different sizes, that is in the different scales. Training the data with distributed features is difficult. To reduce the problem, the action man comes to help, who performs the batch normalization. By applying batch normalization, we normalize the burger and we give this normalized burger to the kid. As a result, he likes it and he eats it. Batch normalization helps us to train the data with distributed features by normalizing them and improving model performance. In the next video, let us learn about how to build an ANN regression model.